It's just like hot back ribs with tender meat and melt-in-your-mouth barbecue sauce. Here I'm using 1 kilogram of pork ribs. I'll add some brown sugar. Add a little salt. Black pepper. Onion powder. Smoked paprika. A bit of garlic powder. Now let's use our hands to spread all this seasoning over the ribs. Next, we'll add a little barbecue sauce on top. Now, cover with aluminum foil, shiny side down. Then we'll bake it at 180 degrees for 1 hour. After that, remove the foil and add more barbecue sauce. All set. Back in the oven at 180 degrees until golden brown. Look how amazing these ribs turn out. Quick, easy, and delicious. Try this at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hug. See you next time and thanks.